Want 4K quality on InShot without Pro? Here's the trick. First, make sure your clip is clear. If it's blurry, run it through Wink to make it HD. Quality in equals quality out. Now open your video in InShot. Go to PIP and add that same video again. Zoom it in to cover the whole frame. Go to Blend, select Contrast, and set the opacity to 60. Go to PIP again, add a white overlay, stretch it to cover the whole screen. Go to Blend, select Overlay. Set contrast to 8, saturation to 8. Unsharpen to taste. Done. Export in high quality. If it still doesn't look right, it's your original footage. HD it with Wink first, then repeat these steps. That's it. Bye!